Welcome. If you have heard episode 138 about perfectionism, this episode might be relatable too. I'm talking about something we all face but rarely address: the pressure to be perfect and liked by others. We live in a world where every scroll on social media makes us doubt ourselves and question, is that what my life should look like? But here's the truth: life is not a reel, it is real. It is about owning your own stories and indirectly giving others the courage to do the same. Do you like me wonder why people are so worried about how they look or come across to another rather than being comfortable with who they are? This self absorbed behavior of showcasing a created version versus the raw, unfiltered self perplexes me. But let me get one thing straight. I'm not saying here that everyone is self absorbed or uncaring on social media platforms. In fact, it could be quite the opposite. It could be the real you. I, for one, post selfies endlessly with people I meet because they tell stories of my moments and memories to recall and relive. If your selfies tell stories for you like mine do, then let no one stop you. But if you're constantly in need of validation, it can be easy to become self absorbed, and over time, you will start measuring your worth by how others see you. Believe me, it can make you like yourself less and lesser by the day. Plus, trying to be perfect every day and all the time is exhausting, isn't it? You do know that there are going to be days when your hair has a mind of its own, or when you won't feel good about yourself or say something awkward or embarrassing. If you can find that confidence to own it, just know that people will always connect and relate more to the imperfect version in front of them rather than to someone who puts on a pretend face. Do looks matter? Fair and flawless skin, a toned physique, or a particular facial structure are still seen as benchmarks, and societal pressures have only amplified this. Girls of matrimonial age are still judged by these often unattainable and unrealistic beauty standards. When appearance becomes a currency for validation, it can be a problem. To add to the imbalance is this rise of the influencer culture, where personal branding and projecting an ideal version of oneself often comes at the expense of authenticity. Think about it. Maybe it's time to step away because social media and society will always fuel comparisons. Your question to self should be how much to accept and how much to adapt to. In fact, one of the best ways to show your true self is by shining a light on others. When you lift others up, you build your own self too, because there is something pretty awesome about being a good human being, right? Come back for more Rewire Life in 1.5 minutes with me, Hira. Namaste.